So, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello guys, welcome back to my project video. So, in this project, I'm gonna like to show you guys how to configuration and then how GRE Tunnel it works. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to configure it and how to make the topology. So, as you can see here, I already give you a topology here. There's a three router where this is the so you can just make it directly, so you can you have to connect each other. So later there's a three router, right? This is the router branch and this is the pusat. So what we gonna do is we make between this communication router is a private with this ESP from internet. So imagine this router one. So you can imagine this router one is in internet. Alright. So the red one is internet. So the router got an internet from ESP, right? So you're gonna use that router 2 and the router 3. We make the communication tunnel to make a private communication. So we can so they don't hear our communication in ISP. So that's how the GRE tunnel works. So without anything to do, let's configuration. But before that, I'm gonna rename it first to make it easier. It's already done. So the first thing is that we need configuration is IP address, right? So we need IP address to each other, then make an interface loopback and 8.8.8 is wherever you are. So you can just enable from there, then it's 1 or ISP. Or ISP, number service provider. So then gives the IP address gives the IP address to FI0 2.0. It means to router 2 more SR IP address 12 12 12 1 25 25, and we are gonna use prefix 24 and then do the same thing in the first ever 0.1. No SR, not shutdown the address 1 25 25 0. And after you're done, leaves it after the IP address to each interface. We should make interface loopback 0 to make sure it was connected. IP address 8.8.8.8, and we're gonna use prefix 32, and we are done for the basic routine. So next to router 2, do the same thing that the configuration basic. Host name R2, address is 00, no SR, IP address this 12.2, 29, 29, 29. Digit prefix 34, don't forget. And right, so as you can see here, the link is already done. Up, there's a green flag next to router 3. Then check no label configure terminal hostname L3 the best FI00 to X5 address filter 2 35 25. And to make sure it's already connected, ping update. So as you can see here, I'm gonna try to ping router 1 and the result is successful. So it means the IP address was correct. Oh yeah, I forgot to make an interface feedback to each user. First to page 0 IP address 25 0 no 5 correct ready and right. Use this do the same thing in letter 3 from terminal defend feedback 0 IP address 3333 graphics 33. So we are done. This the configuration basic as you can see here. So the next step is we should make default routes to each router. So we can make default route IP route 0, and the default gateway is 13 and 1 because it's router 3 facing to interface FS 0.1 router 1. So makes the same thing to in router 2 IP route 0. So 0. So 0 this bit is default route because all networks can use this route. Alright. And to that we have to ping to router 1 to ISP to internet. Ping So as you can see here, as you can see here, the result was successfully 5.5. Do the same thing, you ping, Yes, the result was successful. So we are going next to make interface tunnel and a tunnel source, destination, and IP address of the tunnel. So as you can see here, just wait. So configure terminal tunnel interface tunnel 0, right? Tunnel source means our interface F0. Tunnel destination, it means the rifle of this tunnel, it means it's router 3. So it's gonna be 13. Yes. Then what should we do again? Oh yes, we should IP address and IP address in that tunnel address that verify. So we should give a IP address to this tunnel address 535 0. Oh no, they are using 25 too. So it's gonna be looks like this. IP address 100.1 and using prefix this, as you can see. Do the same thing. Check through of course. Tunnel 0. IP tunnel source. Tunnel destination 12 destination. Alright, ready? IP address 100 2 35 Eh, no, 25. So after this, how we did this to do just doing ping and doing configurations. As you can see here, do show the best tunnel 23. So it means the build tunnel 23. Like that. So when I with in footer 3 first, show the first tunnel 0. Strike I putable. As you can see here, yes, the status is corrected. We are using GRE tunnel, and the tunnel is up, the light protocol is up. So we can just do the same thing in router 2 and right show IP tunnel 0 IP protocol. No, oh no, it's not IP, but I protocol. What? Oh, it's not IP. Sorry. The first. Oh, I'm sorry, I have so many mistakes here. Yeah, already done the connector. And can we do pick to the truth? Of course, we have to. Because we can. It should be. I think. Oh no, we should to pick to other I believe interface style here. So I think so I forget to tell to you that this GRE tunnel is you cannot do it in Cisco Packet Tracers because I'm doing it in Cisco Packet Tracer. Of course, it's cannot, but in real life, or you can do in Peanut Lab or if ENG. It's supposed to be, the result is of course it's gonna be successful. So just keep it. So we need to do is add router dynamic with a GRP 10. Oh no, I forget. Configure it to me now. A GRP 10 network 100 0. Yes, 0. And do the same thing for the loop back. So we are done on the summary. Next to the 3, right here, 10, network. Network, 3. Do show at your root with GRP. So what I gotta say to you guys is I'm doing it in Cisco person, so it means this slip is cannot do in Packet Tracer, but you'll have the result good, successful where you are in real life or where you are using simulator like PNAP or FANG. But because I don't have that simulator, so I don't doing that. So if you are in real life, must be successful. So I think that's all for me. Sorry, I have so many mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.